Welcome back to another video. And in this one, I'm going to talk to you about 3 things that I have learned in helping a recruitment company go from 32 hours in screening applications and reducing that down to seconds. Now, if you've watched my previous videos, I've given you a 3-part series where I pull back the curtain and I share with you the journey of how I was able to build an entire automation for a local recruitment company from end to end that can take care of screening hundreds and hundreds of application forms. Now, let's get straight into it. Number 1, the first thing that I've noticed since building this recruitment software within our app, Spacia, is speed. As I mentioned, the recruitment company was spending 32 hours to process 50 to 60 applications per week, and now we've been able to reduce that down to seconds. As a result of having that speed, we can now increase the acquisition channels in which these new applicants are coming from. So at the moment, it was just an ad running on Seek, which is where all the applicants were coming from. As a result, we can now explore other acquisition channels to capture more applicants. We can even try LinkedIn ads, Facebook ads, and even Google ads to get more applicants into the pipeline. This didn't exist before using the old way, which was manually scanning applications one by one, and it was just a nightmare. Number 2, efficiency with time. As a result of building this entire automation system, this has allowed the recruitment company to focus on more human-to-human activities, such as learning new skills in other departments of the recruitment company, so that if one person is sick in a different department, someone else can actually take that place because they have received the training through the SOPs within that department. And also it helps build team morale within the company so that they're not always doing the same thing every day. Number 3, this one here was my favorite, leverage. Now, before our automation system, the recruitment company was doing everything manually. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, 32 hours to process 50 to 60 applications. And that was over the course of 1 week. Now imagine being able to process hundreds of applications within seconds. So now, as a result, the acquisition channel of new applicants coming in to the pipeline has increased significantly, because before it was just impossible. You could not have this amount of applicants coming through the system and the staff manually processing each application form. What this allows the recruitment company to do now, they have to increase the sales channel, which is good, because if you've got a lot of applicants coming in, you need to have more clients to allocate these new applicants. But overall, this gives the company leverage to grow and expand their business. So my question to you is, if you're a business owner and if you have systems and processes and are still handling it manually, why are you not using AI and automation to create these 3 levers inside of your business? How would you feel if you were able to do things a lot faster, which is speed? And number 2, efficiency. How would you feel if you had more efficiency in managing your time within the company and the staff? And number 3, wouldn't you love to have leverage within the business so that your acquisition channel in acquiring new customers, new clients, has increased significantly, which means you have to increase the sales acquisition channel so that both can grow at the same time? It almost becomes a balancing act. But in order to grow and scale any business, the input will equal the output. So if you don't have systems in place especially utilizing AI and automation, unfortunately, my friend, you are going to get left behind. So if you're a business owner, I encourage you to utilize AI and automation and start streamlining your processes so that you can have those three levers: speed, efficiency, and leverage.